Right, everyone. Oh my goodness, let's turn off that. Why is that off? Let's turn that on. Yes, no, that's not right. Why am I getting sound here? That's because it's that. Okay. Hello, everyone. Just having bugs here. Yeah, so, yes, why, Commander? It's all finished, as far as I'm concerned. And, oh, don't want to do that. And, Control Z. I'm not on a Mac. So today we're going to be building some ships, and for the game, and there's a few things to consider. Right. So these are the ships in the game. I've got it to download them. I don't know if you can hear me. We've got the Delta, the Reg, and the Falcon. These are the user ships, and we've got a raider and a trader and a missile, and there's a police ship. We've got the frigate. We've got the tanker. Oh, hang on, I've got a new probe. Hang on a second. We've got a new probe. Let me just check a new probe. Okay, that's open. Just a second. Save that. Let me just bring up my terminal again. I'm just running probes to see if I've got anything happening. Oh, okay. Is that good or not? Channel avatar, okay. Context dump. I don't know what it all means. Okay, just a second. I'm just got to copy that and put that into there. See if it finds it. So, I'm just trying to get the chat working. Interesting. Okay, anyhow, so there's a couple of ships that I want to sort of work on, if I can remember how to use this. This is Mischief, by the way. It's a, if I can remember how to use it. Oh, no. Let me think now. Yeah, Mischief. It's a field drawing thing. I can't quite remember what it's about, but it's meant to be very clever. So I'm going to keep an eye on that. Oh, hang on. Another probe ID. Okay, hang on, one more probe ID. Just trying to get things working. I was meant to be doing 2 streams today. Yeah. Okay, let's see what this one does. That's again probe ID live. Context dump. Void video ID. So it's found video IDs on this. It's trying to look for video IDs on my stream and dump ones. Oh, okay. Control copy and try and work out. Anyhow, we'll let that carry on here and we'll move it out of the way. Oh, such a mess. What a mess. Anyhow, so we've got the frigate and the tanker. This is a great piece of software. You can get it for the free one. I did actually bought the other one that has layers in, but this one hasn't. So anyhow, it was great. It was great. You can do also. I'll just show you. If you do a little dot there, if I can remember how to zoom in, that's zoom shift. Yeah, I can zoom in, and I can do another little dot brush. Thank you. Another little dot there. Brush. Do another dot. Oh, come on. It's going to mess me about. Oh, it's because I'm white. There we go. And I can do another little dot here. If I can remember what the brushes are. And then I can... Oh, is it control? It's a weird one. And then I can zoom in a bit more. I can keep going in. And then I'll go back to brush. Is it B for brush? It is B for brush. And I can do another one. And I can go into zoom again. Keep going. And any more? That shouldn't be a limit, actually. And I can do another little dot, another little drop there. And I can go to there. And I think that's it. But the thing is, it's parametric. So anyhow, it's a multi-level thing. It's quite clever. So what I'm going to do, I've got some ships here. I've got the ones I want to model today is this one, the carrier. Okay, because it's a sub basically. I've got to work on the station. Okay, and there's a station. I'm just going to sort of draw them out initially, do a little design. Then we've got the tech station, which is the structure. So I'll be working on that one. That's a tech station for high level tech things. And we've got the Vaughan station, which is another big station we can work on. I think I might, I'm not going to bother with these at the moment because there's a lot of drawing that needs going on here, but I want to work on this one first. I'll just sort of flesh out what I want it to look like. So I mean, in terms of silhouettes and stuff, I mean, it's a carrier. Like it's a big naval carrier, and we've all seen the naval carriers in Elite. They're big long things, and you know. But I've only got so many vertices, 66 vertices to work with. So, oh, has it worked? Has it worked? No, it's not worked. Meanwhile, you are the flight ID. Okay, well, we'll try. Let me just have a go. Download as Pi. Save. Replace. Okay, and I need to go to the bottom. And let's just go Pi chat. Looking for a new stream. Okay. Every 5 seconds. So, will my chat be working on here? Let's refresh that. Just a second. It's not doing it, is it? It just says rating, failed, rating, failed. I think there's something wrong with this. Let's not worry about the chat. There was an idea, but I'm not going to worry about it. So, in terms of a ship, I mean, we've got loads to think of. We've got the ones from. Let's look at some samples, shall we? Let's just bring up Google. We're allowed to do that. I don't know. Fetching from Doodle Live final URL. What's all that about? Oh, did I paste that in? So if we go for like space carriers, let's have a look. Let's see what carriers. Space carriers. Let's see what we got then. Oh, there we go. These look nice. Got lots of them. I quite like that. That's a nice one. Oh, look at that. And so these come up and they've got big things that come out. So this is the sort of thing. And blocky. These are nice. They're sort of blocky things. Well, not that one. Yeah, I'm looking for like a blocky thing like this, but not too clever. Something that's got like something like that. I think. Let me have a look now. What we got? Nova class carriers, critical ship. Why is there a woman upside down there? So something like that. Something that's like I've only got I don't know, 90 vertices to use. I could have thousands, but we don't want to mess it up. So something blocky, something nice for like a military station stuff. So we've got some ideas here. I was going to get a mood sheet together in another piece of software, but I couldn't find my software for it. So something sort of if it's military and it's friendly, then we've got two to design. We've got I quite like that one actually. Yeah, something like that with a long, and the docking is at the front, so something long like that. Yeah, okay, something long like that. So, I don't know, something long. Let me zoom in a bit. If I can, I wish I could find out what zoom is on here. Is it control zoom? That's very weird. So, B for brush. I will remember these. I was going to do it on whiteboard, and we need a docking slot because the docking port is at the front because these ships have not only do they have a collision, a collision attack hit bubble around it for zaps and stuff. It's also got the axes here. Let me just Control Z that. We've got the axes. We've got some axes on here. So we've got X, Y. No, Y is no. Come on, Steve. Y, and that's X. And it doesn't call it Z, it calls it F for some reason, and then we've got Z. So I mean, this is the origin of the port is where you dock. So as you get to there, so I've got to work it backwards from there, but it doesn't matter because I can tell. So we want something like that, okay? Something nice and long, but not this carrier, this sub shape. And there's another problem with that, which I'll go into in a sec. So we want a conning tower. So I quite liked what that other ship had, that one we saw. So we'll have I don't know, some engines, some nice engines at the back here, and we'll bring it up and down like this. And the important thing is that it's wireframe. So we need, the only way you can define shape is by having wireframe on it. So I think we could have, yeah, we'll put a conning tower at the back. There we go. This is the ship for the good guys. Okay, the Navy. This is a Navy ship. Come on, you can do it. So this is going to be the Navy ship, B for brush. So we'll bring it up there. So we need. It's important to try and keep all the vertices and not sort of have it break too much. So yeah, I think something like that, and we can bring out. I wonder what erase is. E erase. Oh, look at that. B for brush, and bring that out there. So we'll have a nice little conning tower out there. We've got, if we look at the we've got 60 or 66 verts. So they've gone a bit overboard with trying to get like a submarine shape there, but I'm not too worried about that. So something like that, and we can add a little bit more, some verts here. So this is the docking port here, and I think something like this, and to keep it built like so we see the hull through it, something like that, and the back can just have, I don't know, the thing is, now I understand it, I can put some little bits on it, yeah, just to add a bit of shape. I think probably that something like this in a wireframe would look quite nice. I think something like that. So this is Vaughan's, no, not Vaughan's carrier. You don't know who Vaughan is. So something like that to replace it. Okay, and my perspective is a bit off. And so something like that. Something very simple. And the important thing is, I'm going to talk about concave and convex shapes in a minute, but we'll see it. So just build the vertices. So I'll just build the vertices like that. I probably need I think that's probably enough to get a shape out of it, but if I need to add any more verts to it, so in a side view, it's sort of, I don't know, comes down, and we've got and it's, so where does it start? It starts here with the big thing. No, it won't have occluded verts, Cliff. Of course not. It's wireframe. It'll be occluded to the planets, but it won't have occluded verts, which is why I'm trying to keep it quite long, because it's wireframe. If I start doing occluded verts, that means backface edge culling, and then it'll look weird compared to everything else. So yeah, something like that. Yeah, something like this. And there we go. Well, that can probably come down a little bit more. Yeah, but that's not backface culling, Cliff. It's not occluded verts. It's just occluding the planet behind it, just to make it more visible. No other ships have got occluded stuff in there. So yeah, something like that. Something like a nice carrier. And if I need to add any little little bits to it. I don't know. We could probably do it. I could probably do something. And yeah, I'll show you what I mean in a minute. Okay, and we'll bring that out to there. So something like that. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Now, is this brush? Yeah, something, a big ship like that, and we could probably lozenge it and bring it under a little bit as well. Yeah, I'll shade it even. Yeah, and I could probably, if that comes down, I could probably get a profile like that. That would work. So we've got the docking slot, which is there. So I'm not entirely sure what the docking slot's going to look like. I can't put windows or anything on it. So something like that. Yeah, something like this. Some sort of a nice little ship like this, nice and long, like a frigate-y thing you might get in Elite. And yeah, something like that. That'll do it. Okay. Something like that. And of course, your ship is only sort of, I don't know, that long as it comes in, whatever that looks like. So that's the first one to make. Now, the tech station, I'm thinking of just taking the standard, the standard station, and with its slot. Okay. And what I'm thinking of doing is just doing what they have in Elite, and I'll just put some extra verts out and have a, I don't know, something going on like that. But in this case, we'll just do the odd ones. We'll have some sticky out bits, so that'll just go as it spins. That'll look quite funny, something like that. Collision, that'll do for a tech station. Then we've got the outposts, which again look like stations, but for the outposts, I'm going to have probably just I don't know, a standard slot like this with a little box, and then we'll have some sort of silo thing. So you know, a sort of outpost, sticky out things coming down like that, with like a conning tower, something like that. It doesn't need to be too difficult. It's just an outpost. And so we've got tech station. We've got that station. The mining station, I can probably use the same thing. The rest of the ships need a little bit of love. For instance, the tanker. I'm going to draw over these. The tanker could be still the same, but you know, we could just add a little bit of interest to it. You know, come down here and we could. Now let's think about this. I mean, the tanker's just a cube. So if we keep the same shape, I could probably add, let's bring that out here, and add a little thing at the back. Yeah, that's quite straightforward. Just a simple tanker. For the frigate, I think we want then a conning tower can be a little mesh on its own. It don't need to be connected. So the frigate could be. Don't it make it look like a tanker though? So if rather than this pointy bit, I could just make it super pointy like that, like a lozenge, and then bring it, scoop up to get the to get a frigate like that. So I'm gonna, so it's sort of just a paint over. Some of these are really like difficult and just need, I mean, this what's going, I don't even know what's going on with the trader. So just some simple shapes. Now Vaughan Station, it looks like this, but what it should look like is, it should actually be, let's see now, more of a, it looks more like a Fargoid, I was thinking. And because I'll explain why, and then have it look like the Bespin thing. So have like a, I don't know, some sort of simple thing at the bottom there. I don't know, and a conning tower, because there's a level at the conning tower. The reason I've said level, I'll explain at some point today. Yeah, so something like that with I don't know, I could put some little sticky out bits. Yeah, so you've got Vaughan Station. It looks like it's actually sort of on its edge for some reason. So that's the idea for this. Okay, these are quite simple because I'm just taking this, modeling this. These have only got like 20 verts, and that's got, I can't read. That's got 20 verts. So the most verts we have is in this carrier, and I reckon I could very easily drop it down to, I wonder if have we got shift on here? Oh, we haven't, have we? Okay. Yeah, something like that, and we'll see what it looks like when we go to model it. So I'm going to just pull out this, and can I scale it down? Like, whoops. Okay, come on. And I'm going to move it across, or not. Okay, I'm going to move it across so I can view it and bring up the ship forge. If I can find the ship forge. So here's ship forge. Yep. Now you've seen it before, where you just edit stuff. You draw. Yeah, it's a free. I'll show you. If I select a ship, let me just occlusion test back face. That's the important thing. Let's have a quick look so we can look at the missile. So there's the missile there. I need to get into the mouse for this, thankfully. So this is the missile, and it's quite tiny. As you can see, it's already messing up the grid here. That's a tiny little missile, and it tells you here how it's got 5 verts, and it gives you the length, width, and height. The blue axis, this axis, whatever axis that is where it points down. And also, if I go show you the Vaughan carrier. Oh no, not Vaughan carrier. Yeah, the Vaughan carrier needs to change as well. Let's look at the station. So there's the station, and if we look, it's not actually on there. That's interesting. That's because you don't actually get to that. And you can see that. Well, I'll just go through this. You've seen it before, but we can connect, delete, edit, mirror stuff. We've got a grid, name, fleet scale. We can look at all the whole fleet there if you wanted to zoom in and see, compare your ship to some of these others. I mean, look how big that station is there. Maybe I could probably just rotate that. We've got make face. That's going to be important in a minute. We've also got an occlusion test. If I click occlusion test on, we can't see anything at the moment. But that's the occlusion hull. Now you're thinking, well, what is an occlusion hull? It's actually automatically building faces based on the verts to occlude it to the background. So that just shows the occlusion test, which I don't know why it's not showing me the occlusion test. Probably because I haven't built this one. So you can make faces so you can see what it's occluding behind it, and that's useful for stations and the big carrier. The big carrier, which is going to be the naval base, really. There's going to have to be a smaller one, because if I go to there's a dreadnoughts, okay, and you can see they're quite big. The length is, radius is 110, length is 200, so they're quite big. And if you notice what's going on here, when you turn on occlusion test, sorry, the faces, occlusion test, as occlusion test, occlusion hull, it tries to use the vertices to create facets like you might get with polygons, but these, what you see here, is only edges. So it has to, it sort of shrink wraps the faces over it, and of course it doesn't know what it looks like, so it makes a mess. But in the new version, I can actually put faces onto it, like select some vertices, a face here, and actually create a face for it so it doesn't shrink wrap it. I'll show you the real problem though. If I go to the carrier, and there's a carrier, enormous, great big thing. And I put on the occlusion test there, and I click occlusion hull. Look what it does. It shrink wraps it. It can't work with concave and convex faces. It's trying to create faces where there aren't any. These are just verts, so not even numbered or anything. So this is the model that I'm going to have to play with. Yeah, so let's turn that off. So this is the carrot. This is the first thing to work on. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this whole lot. Okay. And I'm going to make a new ship. Let's see if it works. And I need to make a new ship. Oh yeah, sorry, view a ship. Okay, I've done that, thanks. Yeah, I've got that. So I've copied that. I need to make a new ship. Okay, we've got a blank model. And I can, hopefully, paste that in there. Control V. Paste. Oh, paste. Yeah, it's a weird thing. V, load model. Okay, so now I've pasted it in. And we can see that we've got all these loads of vertices. And if you look, we've got vertices. There's all the vertices that we've got here. And then we've got edges, but no polygons in there. Remember, it is polygons. So this is what we've got to sort of design today. So if I manage to select, can I select all the edges in here? I wonder if I can select all the edges in there. I'm going to try and move the whole thing across. Ah, okay, we don't have a select all edges in here. Never mind, we'll select them all. That would have been useful, actually. We'll just select all the faces, edges rather. Yeah, I needed to select all. That's okay. Well, we can select them. I'll just go through. Oh no! Now I'm in pen. I should be in edit. Okay, let's do that again. In fact, what I will do, I know what to do. We don't need to move it out of the way. I'll look at the top view and I'll do a rough outline for it. So if I go to the pen and we'll do a rough outline just quickly, not worried about snapping it. Okay, good. There's our rough outline. Okay, I don't need that ship anymore. So, oops, I can actually, come on, nope, stop it. Go back to edit and I delete that one. Delete that vertex there. Okay, so we've got these. So if I go click, 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 click. Now, is that telling me what vertices there are? Interesting. Okay. So I need to copy that. So can I copy that? That's interesting. How do I? So I need to delete. Well, okay, I know what to do. If I select the edges of here, I can work on one side. Okay, so let me just select some edges. Yeah, I hadn't thought about this. And how do I know what length that is? That's very interesting. Does it tell me what the faces are for that? Okay. Okay, let me delete these edges. And yeah, I needed a lasso tool, really. You can see the verts are still there. I will delete those as well. I will just go through and get rid of some of these, so I can see what's going on. Yeah. Okay, let's go in here, and we'll go. Oh, edges. Come on, select edges. I'll delete those. Let's delete these. Delete those. We'll get rid of them. Because what I don't want to do is sort of make have a problem with. Whoops! Don't move that. I thought I could move this with the middle mouse key. I can only zoom in. That's a bit poor, isn't it? Okay. I'm sure I can pan this. Okay, let's delete those. Delete those. And delete that. And delete that. Okay, that'll do. Let's have a quick look. Right. Okay, so now that we've got the top here, so am I looking at the bottom or the top? That's the top. So that must be the top there. Right, okay. So I thought I could pan this. Oh, I can. Okay, it's oh, that's weird. Okay, I can pan it. Very good. Okay, so let's zoom in and make sure we have some sort of a vertex here. So I'm going to do a pen. Let's just look at my drawing, and which is the front. Sorry, I've forgotten what the front is. Front is up here. Okay, I'm drawing loads of stuff in here. Okay, let's go back to pen, and I'm gonna, not that one. So I'm going to go from here over to here. I might have to put a line all the way down the front, but I don't think I need to. Okay, let's move that and bring it down to here. Now I'm probably going to bring that over a bit more. Just looking at my ship. There we go. Yeah, okay. So that's the first part. Okay. Yep. And then I'm going to then do try and get a plan done. So how does pen work here? Pen. Okay. So that's the first part, and nope, I want there to there. Okay. Okay. Let's see now. Oops. Oh, it's very. Let's go down to here. So this is the. So that's the conning tower here. That's a conning tower. I did not want to draw that. Thank you. And I want the conning tower. So it's the conning tower's at the back. So I need to sort of sweep out here a bit, don't I? Okay. So I'll go on pen, and we'll sweep out. We'll get these aligned a bit better, and bring that down to here and across. Okay. Okay. And probably, nope, delete. Yeah, I don't want to get much further than that. So let me just go to pen, and I'll just bring those in a bit. There we go. See, this is the first time doing anything this big in the editor. Oops, vertical. Okay. And then I'll just select those two and connect them. Now I'll bring that, oops. Oh, I can do two at once. Very nice. Bring that across there. So let's see now. Okay. That's where we're going. In terms of height, I'm just going to make let me see now. Yeah. Okay. Right. So now I'm going to delete the rest of that hull there, if I can do it. Let's select the edges. Delete. Let's delete some faces. Get rid of all them now. I don't need those now. Yeah, multiple. I mean, I can shift select these, luckily. Okay, and there we go. Get rid of that, and that, and that, and that, and that. And we'll get rid of that. I'll leave the aerial there because that denotes the top of the okay, right, so where are we? Okay, good. Right, so now let's see how this is going to work. I need to, so that if that's the base of there, I need to go upwards from there. Or do I? This is the top. That's the base. So really, all this needs to go down then. All these need to go down. Am I going to let me take these down? Yes, good. Phew, thank God for that. It's going to be a bit chaos otherwise. So right, let's move up here. So we've got these two. I want one edge coming out from here. So I'm just going to do another pen from there to there. Okay. And from get a pen is there to there. That's the right. And then I need to bring up, let's see now. If I go to, I need to draw another. Oh, it said, let's connect those. Connect. Okay, so how am I going to draw upwards from there? Well, if I take a pen, that's the back of it. This is fun. So if I just put a pen here, okay, so that's there. That's half the battle there, I think. It's not exactly as I want it. So we'll select that and we'll just snap these to the grid. Yep. Okay. That's the top of the conning tower. So, right, let's just have a look. So I want to go upwards now. I want to go upwards from there. So I need to add, wow, this is a lot more complicated than I thought it would be. So if I add a pen here, let me just draw a pen in this direction. Right, okay, that's good. And then go to edit, and that I will move over. Ah, how do I snap it to that point? Which point is it? Is it that point? Oh, I know what to do. I know what to do. That I want those connected. Right, eek. And then I can move that. No, one of those. That one, I can move that down on that axis. There we go. And then across on that axis. Right, okay. Right. Okay, then we got this one. This needs to move back on that axis. And then across on that axis. And we'll bring that up to the back. Bring that up to there. Okay. Right. Probably want this going up a bit more. Pop, pop, pop. Just looking at my reference. Okay. Right. I think that's okay. So now I want to draw this one down this way. So let's just draw a pen down here to there. Okay. Take off pen. And that I want to go into edit mode. That snaps to the grid. So we've got that there. Although, is that snapped? It looks like it's snapped. Can't really tell. Wow. Okay. So let's bring, I'm going to draw another, yeah. I'm going to draw another one down here. And get that. If I move that, just move in. Move that over to there. God, this is like Spectrum time, isn't it? Let's have a quick look. Okay. And drop that. That's on that axis. Okay. Let's look at the front axis for that. We'll move that. Let's get that across. And so we've got an axis there. Let me just check that that's correct. These two are correct. In the correct axis, right? We're going to connect these two. Connect, right? Let's just have a quick look. Right, it's a very long ship, and I'm just going to connect those up. Oops. Connect. Good. Okay. Then I'm going to connect that and sorry, shift, not caps lock, shift, connect that. I think it's E connect. Yeah, connect there. Then I'm going to take this vertex is hanging around, and I'm going to move that vertex down here. Down here. Can't keep going down. Oops. It needs to see it, does it? Oh, that's interesting. Where did it go? Is that it? Oh, probably. No, that's not it. I had a vertex here. That's it there, isn't it? Yeah, there we go. We're going to move that all the way down. Doesn't really matter. And that can come across. Oh, nope. I need to be in the correct window. Okay. And I forgot what I was going to do now. Oh, yes, that was right. Yes. I need to smooth that one over here and up to there and all the way back to here and then across over here, then across over here, right, and then I need to take that one, that needs to go up to there, then I can take these, that'd be easier in Maya, wouldn't it? Connect, okay, right, then I can take these two and I can connect those, right, getting a ship, something's happening, don't know if it's all perfect or not. Okay, let's go up here. We've got these and we've got those and those two. So I need, let's take another vert. We've got one here. Let's take that over. Oh, that way. And we'll just snap that up to here. And up to here. Pop. And that needs to go, where did it go? Was it there? That needs to go upwards. Just check they're in the right place. And if I select those and connect, phew, okay, this is not the most easiest tool, is it? Okay, so where are we? Let's have another quick look at our ship. Phew, okay, I've also got to drop downwards on that. We'll get the base in for the second. I mean, I could have converted that, to be honest, in Maya. Anyhow, okay. Now, I didn't put mirror on, so we've got mirror on now, and now we can see we've got something sort of happening here. Okay, so that's flat. This must come down, so I need another vertex. Then we'll move this vertex up. Which vertex was it? It was that one, little vertex on its own. We'll bring that one up, and I think we'll have a line going down the front. That might be fun. That can come here, and I can select that one and connect that. Thank you. That one and that one. Connect that. Cool. Cool. And then I need, there's another stray vertex there. So we'll bring that over here. And I just want to get that into the same position. And bring it all the way over here. Let's bring it over. Oops, I lost it. And I'm going to bring it over to here. I'm just going to connect that. Where are we now? Oh, it is a long ship. Okay. That wasn't perfect, so we'll bring that over to there. These verts can go, probably that can go up. Oops, no, wrong way. I had the wrong window. Let me press that again. Now calm that down. And then we'll go, we need to go up till, are these on the bottom or the top? Oh, they're on the bottom. Okay. Okay. I'm going to just do another pen here. Okay. And let's just move that over to, and I want that over here. There we go. And that needs to go over here, keeping it snapped. And then up to top, pop, and then we want that one. That can come down a bit and down a bit there. Okay. Right. Yeah, now this one can just, I can just connect those. There we go. And now I need another vertex there. This is the conning tower height. Yeah, it's not as easy as I thought. I've actually got Claude to write a tool for this to take a OBJ file from Maya and do it. But you know, quite fancy using the editor it had a go at. And then this one, I'm going to delete that. Okay, now I need another up on here, so I'm just going to come over and just get the other pen. There we go. That should be on there. So I'll go back to edit. We'll select that one and we'll move it across. That one. And we'll move that across. Pop. Okay. That's cool. Then I want, yeah, okay. It's not as easy as I thought it would be, as usual. So the conning tower is here. So I'm going to move, no. That downwards. This one needs to go downwards. So the conning tower starts about here. And I need to just draw that. Needs to be a face down here, an edge down here. Okay, cool. So that needs to go over here. God, it's like I remember working on oh, what was it? 3D Studio Release 4 before it was Studio Max, and it just rings a bell that it was like, I mean, we was using 3D Studio Max at the time to do the modeling, but all the animation tools and exports were in 3D Studio Max, which was in Release 4, which was really funny. Oh, I see. I wanted that needs to be in line with that. Why isn't it in line with it? Oh, it is. Okay. That doesn't look like it's. I think it's just got some wacky perspective going on here. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, right. Now we need, what do we need now? I need to just do the underneath of it quickly. So I'll just select that, and E. There we go. Now we've got the underneath of it done. And I need to just, so this here, I need to connect those. So we'll do another pen there. It's P for pen. It is P for pen. Look at that. and edit that. So that needs to go. That needs to go into there, and that one goes down to here. That one goes. Oh, is that the one I want? Yep, that goes down to here. That one goes down to here. Cool. Okay, and we need, what do we need now? Not entirely happy with that. I think I want to just move these. I think I want to move those up a bit. Yeah, that's a bit better. Not perfect yet, but that's okay. That's all right. And I'll move these up as well. So we give it a bit of a shape here. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, that's not going to work. I need to have another line over here. So pen, just draw another one there. P, and that's going to snap. If I put in edit mode, that needs to snap to. Actually, I thought I had a snap mode. I thought I had a snap. There's a snap, but it's not snap to vertex. That's interesting. Never mind, doesn't matter. We'll move it across to over here. This one, I want to go up to there. Okay. Yeah, let's have a look. Right. So now I need. Now it's looking a bit wonk there, but that's okay because I don't know. It doesn't really matter too much. Does it drop though? What do I need to do? I need to have a line down here. Let's get the pen tool up. So I need a line coming down to there. Okay, cool. Up to edit and bring that down and across. So yeah, that's cool. Now I need to take this edge, delete that. Okay, so where have we got? So that's there. This edge, stop it. This edge needs to go. I'm going to connect that. I'm just trying to see where we are here. Yeah, so I'm just going to take that one and bring it back over here and shift connect these. There we go. What have we got? Yeah, cool. Okay. So I'm making some sort of ringlets. Winglets? I don't know. We'll select. Stop right clicking on that. That's getting annoying now. Oh, I can just use the middle mouse. Okay. Okay. So we've got that. Looks a bit more like it. And I need one more pen. One more pen coming down there just to bring out that. Is that correct? Yes. Okay. So I'm just going to put a quick pen up here. There we go. And take that one, and that needs to go down and across and up. There we go. And this one just needs to go up. Okay, cool. We've got a stray edge here. I'll just delete that. And we'll just connect those. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So now I'm going to. That front needs to be open as such. So I'm going to put. I need to do another pen here. Okay. what is the edit tool? Edit is deconnect, delete, remove, nudge, 3D view, doesn't say. It doesn't. Oh, okay. So this one, that needs to go up here and across. Right. And then this comes up and across. Come across that way. Thank you. And oh, it might not be perfectly aligned. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring that out to there. Then I'm going to select that vertex. Why can't I select an edge in here? I should be able to select an edge. Can't I select an edge? What does lift pen do? I don't know. Edit. Select drag vertices. Okay, well, we'll bring that back then. Okay. I'm not sure what it wants to do. Okay. Yeah, I'll bring that back over. So then we'll bring it to back up here. And bring that down here. Just have a quick look round. Yeah, so select that one, Shift E, not caps lock. E, okay. Yep, that's cool. This one, I can get rid of that one and just connect that up. Right, we're sort of getting there. Oh no, hang on, wait a minute, that's wrong, isn't it? Oh, I can select an edge. Okay, well, I didn't know that. Let me just add another one and get rid of that. Oh, no, get rid of that. Get rid of that edge. Get rid of that. And I need to put that one over here. Wow. Which one was it? I forgot which one I was working on now. That one there, wasn't it? Yep. Okay, that needs to go up to there. This one needs to go across to there. That's it. Okay, I think. It doesn't look right to me. Oh, it needs to go up a bit more, doesn't it? Okay. And come over to here. Oh, I see what's happened. Oh, I see. That's going to be a little awkward. Or is it? Is it going to be awkward? Doesn't really matter if it's absolutely perfect. Okay, let's go down. Let's move it down to down. Okay, we'll bring it over to here. And then we'll bring it over to here. Yeah, that's not what I wanted. I'll bring that over as well. That'll do it. Okay, what I might need to do is add another vertex. So that'll do for that. Okay. Let's see. Now I need to bring this down a bit now. So if I select these verts here, and if I get the correct place, let's do that again. No. Have I moved it? I've moved it, have I? What's happened? Oh, something's moved. Oh yeah, I've moved it forwards, haven't I? Okay, well, let's move that back where it was. This is so not easy. So I want that one, and that one, and that one. And we'll just move those down. Is that going to work? No, because this edge here, yes, that's not right. So let me just move that out here. And I need to add a vert in there. How do I add a vert? Can I add a vert? Maybe not. Okay, well, let's delete this edge here if I can get into it. Yeah. Is it shift edge? Don't know. I need to, well, that needs to come back to here anyhow. White. And go up one. So that needs to follow that. That edge here. I can't seem to, I'm sure I could select an edge, you know. How weird. Is it? I wonder how you select an edge. Well, I selected an edge here. How do you select an edge? I'm not quite sure. So what I'll have to do is, how have I selected this edge? Oh, I can select edges in 3D. Okay, that's fine. Didn't realize that. Okay. So now I need to select that, and that, and we'll just move those down a bit. That edge needs to go. Then I need to do that E, that connect, that connect. It is tricky stuff, Cliff. It is actually very tricky. Yeah, okay. And then select those. P, so P, 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 E. Connect that. Okay. Right. Let me just look at my ship. Okay, right. Now I need a conning tower. That's going to probably be the easiest bit. No, not P. No, I don't need that, thanks. So I need to get rid of that. Let's make a conning tower and then move it into place. So, right, pen, let's do a conning tower. It's like this. Yeah, it's conning tower shaped, Cliff. How many verts are we up to? I'm on 68 verts, so we're doing okay. We're doing okay, I think. Okay, right, go back to edit. Let's select these and bring that across to over here, and we'll select these and bring that across as well. Okay, I mean, I can see the mirroring on it, so I don't want to make it too ridiculous. Okay, right. It's cool. Yeah, that's okay. Yep. So now I need to there's no duplicate on this. So if I've got my ship like this, and now I need to, what I might do, if I bring it, I might just bring this, let me get these edges here. And, oh no, I'll get rid of these edges a sec. I'm going to bring up spare vert here. So I'm going to bring that down. Okay, I'll select the verts here, and then we'll bring them down. There we go. Cool. Yeah, doing it in Maya would defeat the purpose, Cliff. You're absolutely right. It would defeat the whole purpose of using crappy old tools to do it. Yeah, absolutely right, Cliff. So we'll bring that down to something. That looks near enough. Okay, so now I'm going to add a point there. Just some vertices to work with. And so go to edit mode. So I need to bring that across here. There we go. And down here. And bring it across there. Let's check where we are. And we'll just select that, and we'll connect that. That and that. And we'll connect that. I've got another point here. We'll bring that down. Yeah, it would defeat the purpose, Cliff, wouldn't it? Of the struggle. Of the struggle, Cliff. Okay. Nice big ship. What else is there on there? We've got that. I'm not too happy with the back, but what I can do is I might actually, let me just get rid of these just a second. No, I won't get rid of it just yet. Stop pressing the wrong button. Let me take another vert and let me bring that round. And I'm going to bring that down to here and over to here. Okay, and back and up and to there. Let's get that there. Okay, select, and we're going to delete this, and I'm going to connect those. Yeah, I think this is the way to do it. I want to keep it sort of okay. Connect those. Yeah, and I'll connect those. Yeah, I think this is going to be more sensible. And I'll just bring that down a little bit. There we go. And then I need another pen. We'll put that there. Over edit, select that vert. We want that over here. Oh, that was weird. Now my line is there, so if I bring that over to here and connect those, okay, now I can get rid of that line and that line. Oh, I think automatically done it for me. That's very nice of it. Get rid of that. We'll connect these. We'll connect those. Let's have a look. It gets difficult to see at the back, isn't it? Okay, and then I can connect those. Yeah, there we go. Now I've got a little sticky up thing here, which I don't need. And then I can connect those. Okay, right. I think I probably want something else. Do I want to? I think I probably should put an extra vert in there. That's verts. Okay, let me get rid of that. I'm going to put an edge. Let me get those done. And I need an extrovert. Let's bring this extrovert up the other way. There we go. And bring that down to here. Yep. And then I'm going to, I need to bring that across here and up to there. Okay. Now, is that gonna, no, it's not, is it? Okay. Shift E. 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 Oh, I need one more vert. P. Edit. And this one needs to go down to here. And across to here. And no further. There. Okay. Let's have a quick look at the top. Okay. Yeah, looks a bit wonky, but that's fine. Right, so that's a carrier ship, Cliff. It probably needs a little bit more, something else in it, like something along the length here. But we'll leave that for the moment. I'm going to just select these. and I need, well, I'll just snap that. There we go. E. Ta-da. Oh, no, not that. And we'll just connect those. E. Cool. Now all I need to do is build the other side. How many verts we got? We've got 78 verts, and I think we're doing all right. Right, now I just need to build the other side of it. So I just need to go to the top view and just put all these things in again. Just the, oops, didn't need that. Yeah, so that's one side, which I just need to, yeah, they've all moved. They shouldn't all move together. If I'm going up and down, left and right, yeah, I need to work on that. Doesn't matter. So I've got that one. That one needs to go up to, oh no, not that way. Where was it going? Up to here and across to there. That's that one done. Then we want that one. That one goes up. Correct. Right, I'm going to do another pen. There goes. Oh no, there you go. Put to edit, and I'll just get that put up to. We'll get that over to here and over to there. So we'll select this one, and we go up to here, and we go all the way across. Oh, the other way. Pop. I will come that over there, and trying to see where it goes. And that one can come across as well and go up. Okay, right, that's that done. E. Okay, zoom out a bit so we can see what's going on. We need, well, it's starting to look like something. I don't know what, but what's this vert? What's that vert doing there? What? I don't know. Okay, let's do a pen here. We'll get that done. And let me select that there. Oh, is it auto? It hasn't done it, has it? Has it already done it? Oh. How did it know? That can't be right. So if I select that pen, oh, no, it was weird. Don't know. They've got that one. That one needs to go down here and across and down. That one needs to go down here, across and down. Okay, that's that. Now I need to select these two and those two. Cool. Good. And then I can stop pressing the wrong button. I think thinking I'm in Maya and selecting the wrong ones. Okay, so let's put another pen. We'll do that and that. And go to edit mode, and I'll just bring that up there and up to there. Now we're looking at, so that's that one. I think that's probably goes all the way over to here. Correct. That one goes all, whoops. No, up and across and all the way down here. There we go. And just check what's going on in the back. Yep. Okay. Good. And then I want a pen down here. It's really funny. That needs to go across to here. That needs to go across to there. Where have I put them? If I select both, I can move them all the way down to here. And that should be that done. Cool. Okay, so now I can go E there, and E. Cool. And E there, E there. I've got some other verts to do. Let's do the big long bit. That's going to be quite funny. Okay, there we go. And let's see where that goes. I think it's already in the right place, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. E. There we go. And we want another one. We want another pen over here. So I go pen. Okay. And select those two. And now put them down here. And move them back over here. Then I can select that one. And that one. And move them over here. I'm getting the hang of this now, I think. Yep. Yeah, this should have a pan as well, I think. Yeah, I'm trying to pan it with both my mice and it's not doing it. So sort of shows, doesn't it? And we connect that. It'd be nice to have like a mirror across, but I don't think I've got one. Not that I've used this much. Haha. So let's put a few more in. And a couple up here. Oh, there you go. Right. So we've got these and that. Oh, and that. So move them across. Oh, no. No. Too many verts selected there. Move that across. Stop it. Oh, I've got an edge selected. Okay. Yeah, I've got that edge selected. That wasn't very good, was it? Okay, yeah. Careful of that. The fact that you can select an edge in it. Yeah, a mirror function. Definitely, Cliff. Definitely a mirror function. Bring that down to here. Down they go. Just check that's in the right place. I think so. E. E. Do. And okay. Right, I'll carry on down here. And I want those, and we'll bring them across. And all the way to the edge, the end. And we'll take that one, and we'll move that down. Also, I think it would be better to have a little more, something a little bit, something, what can I call it? I'm not sure what to call it. Okay, is that all done? Okay, that's the back done, the front done rather. And now it's just working on the back a bit more. So I'm going to select these two. And we'll move them down. And across. And to the back. That done. Okay, and we've got another edge there. I'm going to move this vert over. See, I'm not entirely sure if you duplicate edges, what happens, verts, I don't know what happens. Not entirely sure what happens if you duplicate verts. I just need to go over here and up to there and back to here. Okay, is that correct? Yeah, it looks right. I mean, what happens if I delete loads all the verts? What happens? Surely you can't have coincident verts. That would be unthinkable. Okay, so we've got this one. I'm going to pop this over here and over here and move that up. I mean, surely you can't have, I mean, I'm not quite sure, but can I have verts without an edge? I'm not quite sure. I'm not quite sure. Oh dear, it's all gone horribly wrong. Okay, and across. All right. Okay, that's cool. Sort of there. Now, now I wasn't going to have, I'm going to just do a line. Can I do a line all the way across? I don't think that's going to, no, it's different, isn't it? Okay, well, if I select that edge, what happens if I move that now? Okay, yeah, interesting. Okay, I have to delete that edge. I'm going to have to delete it. Is it, how do I delete it? Yeah, I'm going to have to get rid of that one. Because I've got another edge from there to there. And then there to there. Okay, yep. Okay, let's do this. Goes up to cross here. And that one goes up and across to there. Almost. Down. Okay, that's good. That one. I need a snap, don't I, for this? This is the biggest thing that I've ever made in this contraption. So, you know, we'll see what happens with it. Oh, that's gone low now. Hop. Up. Okay. Y. Okay, good. What now? What am I doing now? I can't remember. I'm going to, oh yeah, I've got that line to, I've got this to connect and that to connect. I think that's that done. Oh, I've got the underneath to do as well. Is that just all the way along? Oh, it might not be. Might not be. Yeah, it's possibly not. So I'm going to add, actually, I don't know. We'll add some more lines. Okay. And we'll move this across, go down to there, all the way across, and down to here. And move it up a bit more. That one needs to go down. That one's in the correct place, so I'll just connect those. Correct. What's the matter still? There's somebody here. Oh dear. Yes. Okay, and we'll take that one. Just that one. And we'll go across to here. And down to there. That goes down to here. And across to there. That's correct. Yeah, I need to add some different tools onto this, like a mirror. That would have been why I didn't ask for that. I don't know. Okay, so that's most of the ship done. All I need to do now is concentrate on the conning tower, and I'll just bring that across. Oh, down one, all the way across, and I'll select both of those and move them up. Move them up, I said. Okay, back and across. Oh, not too far. And down. Oops. Oh, come on. Actually, I know what to do. We'll do one at a time because what that means, I can connect them. There we go. And then we'll take that one, move it down here, and just pop it down a bit. There we go. Now I need to mirror that. How do I do that? Okay, well, let's just continue. Let's just connect these, because what I'm going to do is take that central thing out, I think. Yeah, that one is connected to there. That doesn't look right to me. I think what I'll do is I'm going to take rid of that, and I'm going to get rid of that, and I'm just going to connect it up to, oh, nope. That's a complete edge. So is that. Okay. I need to turn that into, that's weird. It's taking a hell of a lot longer than I thought it would be. Yeah, you see I've got a vertex there. See, that's vertex is moving all those edges around. So let's get rid of these. I've got mirror on, so it'll mirror on the other side as well, which is good. And I'm just going to put those couple of lines in as well. Okay. Blimey. So we've got one here, and that needs to go over to here. That one goes over to here. And that one, is it that one? No, here we go. Stop it. That needs to go up to, oh, that needs to go up and back probably. Yeah. Okay, this one needs to go, that just needs to go up. Ah, see, when I select, it doesn't, it deselects it. There we go. Good. There we go. That's nice. Is that in the right place? Yeah, it looks it to me. And we'll go E and just connect those up. Yeah, I do need to be able to pan the perspective view. And if I go up and down, that shouldn't move, you see. These should be independent. So while I'm waiting, yeah, it's a Corvette with a tail fin. Hi, Rusty. I'm struggling with my. No, Tom, I'm finding loads of things I should have put in being a 3D modeler, like mirror, mirror across. And so next time I'm just going to build it full of verts. And I have got an exporter for this, but I didn't do it. Anyhow, never mind. This is hilariously bad. Okay, that one there, we can get rid of that now. And that means I can connect these up. The fun part is putting this in the game. Anyhow, so let's just make sure we get, no, not those. I'm not even sure I'm convinced I'm getting coincident verts and lines as well, but it doesn't matter. Yeah. Right. Okay. Anything else on here? Yeah. Where's the forge here? It's in 70, isn't it? Yeah. Let me just do something. Forge. Can I have mirror mirror tool, please? And individual pan and zoom per window. Let it carry on. Bloody paying for it. Where was I? What was I going to do? Okay. Now I just need a slot on the front. So I can't remember. I will just build a slot. Let me just build a slot. I can't remember the size of the slot, but we'll have a go. I think that sort of docking slot size. Yeah, there you go. There we go. And we'll put that up here and across and up. There we go. Yeah, it's building it as we talk. Cliff Design Store, both functions. Hang on. Mirror axis independent. Let me check if all the other memory always exists as a mirror X toggle. Bake mirror centerline. No, there isn't. Just a second. Let me just save this. Hang on. Let me just download that. Okay, right. What do you mean a bake? There isn't a bake. Where? Mirror X. Mirror across the center line. No, that's not a mirror. That's not a bake mirror. Let's make that bigger. Hang on. So I can bloody read it. Why is that? Right. Where's bake? Shift click ads. Shift click ads. It doesn't bake. Double click pane to refit. Okay, let me just copy all this. Copy. Okay, that's copied. I'm just going to save this for a second. Hang on. Put that into my pad. Yeah, I know you can't find it. Okay. Oh, it's a previous one. There we go. Put that in there. Okay, that's the million vertices for this. I'm going to just save this. Unless it put it in, I didn't know it. That's 09, save. Okay, now it's 09. So let's see if it loses my data. Okay. Right. Okay, let me just copy get that all. Paste model. Right, okay. Oh, does it look glowy? Looks all glowy. Oh, it's put bloody glow on it. Thanks. So, right, look, yes, hooray. Okay, we've got individual stuff now. Mirror X. How do I mirror? Mirror is already ship forward mirror X toggle. And bake mirror. Where's bake mirror? Hang on. Where's bake mirror? It's a magic hotkey, isn't it? Hang on. Bake mirror. I can't see bake mirror on here. It's at line 250. Please notice a line 270. First of all, do you want to move it and close your bake the model with mirror on, then turn mirror off, which okay, hang on, wait a minute, new. I'm going to get really annoyed if this does what I think it does. Oh, I'm such a fool. It's baking it in here. Oh, it's mirroring it here. Not in the, oh, for goodness sake. Look, that's what mirror means. One thing that connects to the faces, notice line for the faces, only export with mirror is off.
That's a known limitation handoff because bake mirror doesn't duplicate faces, only verts and edges for symmetrical sources, both mirror and occlusion. You model with mirror on, then turn mirror off, which bakes geometry, then all for faces on the full mesh. Oh, so if I take this, if I copy this, turn mirror off, create new, load paste model. Why? That wasn't clear. That wasn't clear to me. That wasn't clear. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, in case you weren't catching up, we've got this model, which is the old sub model. Okay. And then we've got, oh dear, which is viewing carrier. And that's, how many verts is it? Oh God, 250. No, I can't say how many verts. Verts. 66 verts. Okay. So that's the inbuilt one. But, so this is the new one. This is the new one. Load model. And it's more verts, 154 verts. Okay, I've got more verts in it. That's weird. Okay, well, we're going to have to tidy it up. So I don't need mirror anymore. Mirror automatically mirrors it. So I'm an idiot. So it's possible that I've got duplicates. And I have. I've got millions of duplicates here. Yeah, I've got a million duplicates. Yep. Okay, that's no good. So what did I do? I mirrored it and then I mirrored it again. Every time I went mirror, it unmirrored it. Right, now I understand mirror. I didn't need all this, so okay, that's all right. I'll just get rid of it. Yeah, yeah. I've got that explains a lot actually. So it does mirror. Mirror's only on the longitudinal thing on it. Okay, never mind. Doesn't matter. You live and learn. I thought mirror was just a modeling tool. Shows you what I've read the instructions, haven't I? Yeah, you can see that's why it looks glowy. There's double edges here. Okay, yeah, well there we go. Okay. Oh no, I don't need a pen, thank you. Ah. Now it's like a million verts, wasn't it? That's why it's so many verts now. It's because I've mirrored and I've mirrored and I've mirrored. I used to tell my students not to do that, and you live and learn. Okay, now I need to see which ones are double edges on here. It's probably the bright ones. Oh, thank you. Thanks. I'm not doing terribly well today in terms of getting things working. Yeah, I need a few subs. I'm not terribly bothered about it. I'm not going to be, it's unlikely to get monetized, but thanks anyhow, Rusty. That's great stuff. I'll tell you what, with the flight game, the space game, we'll show you this once I've got this sorted out. It's finished. I'm not doing any more to it. I'm starting to think about padding, like individual things, and I was thinking, why am I padding? I'm getting it to do too much now. So it's I can just about see the lines. The number of students who mirrored stuff and then mirrored stuff again and ended up with loads of coincident faces. I should know this, but this isn't like a standard modeling tool. This is just, and it hasn't got an undo either. I can just see the brighter ones. Yeah, and Z fighting on the faces and stuff. Now, I'll tell you what though, there is something, there's no Control Z, but that's okay. Right, that was no Control Z. So I'll just have to rebuild these. So if I put mirror on now, no, actually, let's not put mirror on just yet. I'm trying to see which ones are brighter. It's difficult to see. That looks bright. I mean, I could go through this and look for individual faces that are the same. Oh, no, that sounds like hard work. Where are they? Come on, we're looking for stuff. That looks very bright at the front here. Although I do need... This is the longest ship in the game, so that looks long. That looks bright. That doesn't look bright. That looks brighter than the others. Okay. I think... Well, okay. I'm probably going to have to restart this, but how many verts are we up to? 89 verts, 73 edges. Because I can't tell if I've got too many verts here. Okay, well, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just finish this and stick it in the game and see what happens. Because, and then what I might bloody well do is put it, what's this bit here? Oh yeah, is to actually get that OBJ exporter done. Right, where was I? Well, at least this is fixed now. I can bloody independently zoom. Okay, let's just put a pen in. Okay, edit. That goes to on there. That's good. I'll stick this over here. Connect that up. Connect that up. Okay, what else is there? Oh, I've got a bit of connect. I'm not going to worry about the coincident faces because there's something I need to do. We'll get rid of... Oh no, I need to get rid of that. Yeah, that was coincident as well. I've got lots of coincident edges. 80 verts. That can't be right. Well, it doesn't matter for the moment because you live and learn. I'll just need to put the docking port in. Docking slot. There we go. And let's get these. Oh, come on. Not caps lock. And we'll just move that up here. That's where you want it. And let me just push it over. And we'll pull that over here. There we go. And we'll just move that to the front. And over we go. To the front. I said to the front. Yep. Okay. Right. And so... Actually, no. You think about this. Not going to bother with that. I'm just going to mirror it. Right. And I'm going to copy this. And let's stick it in the game. Hooray. Right. Where are we? It's the mill carrier. So just to show you what I was doing, I was trying to do this one, but I was thinking of faces and not edges. I've still got other things to do, like just rebuild like the tanker, make it look like a tanker and the frigate. And there's this station here. This is the secret station of Commander Vaughan, who's evil. And I've got the outpost, looks like an outpost, and the tech station with some sticky out bits, and the normal station. So I've got that to do. Right, now
Where is Wire Commander 125? Is it going to open? Right. Oh gosh, 125. Okay, so I need to look for, and it's mill station. So military station, ship scout. What's it called? Hang on, frigate, warship, miner. It's called carrier. Shipyard, bounty, tanker, police, frigate, trader, dreadnought, gunship, ship types. I thought the carrier was built in. So I'm going to have to play a falcon. So play a falcon, play a reg. If I just do it, I might look for it. Military faction. Paste a shipboard model here. Oh, yeah. Vaughan carrier. Ship copy. Yeah, but where's the Vaughan carrier then? That's giving my spoilers there. Where is the carrier then? I thought, where's the mill station? Let me ask. The 90 plus. Carrier model. Sorry, the mill station model. It's going to tell me what line it is in. If you mean the naval base. Oh, right. It's looking for the naval base. Tell me what line. Don't tell me it's not procedural. No, it's not procedural. It's horrible. It's going to find it somewhere here. Models mill base equals. Oh, models mill base equals null. Line 394. Oh, yes, that's right. Yes. 394 because I asked it to keep a placeholder. 394. This comment above it. 390 line 372. What? Hang on, wait a minute. Copy. Oh, no. Nope. Don't do that. Ah, here we are. Molesby, but paste over this whole line. What do you mean? This slot exists so you can just build it in shipboard and paste over the whole thing here. What? Are you sure? Build in shipboard, hit copy and paste over this line. You're joking. Copy over this line. Are you sure? Hang on. Explain how to copy it. Yeah, Yamamoto, yes. Build there's a copy button in Shipforge UI. Okay. Copy. Right. Let's go over to here. Equals null. Paste over the null. Just show you. Models mill based, and that's where I paste it in. Mill based. That's not going to work. There's loads of duplicates in here, everywhere. Okay. Is that going to work? No way. I asked it to keep some space for it. But it, save. Okay. Let's see what happens. I suspect it's not going to work. Alright, well, okay. We're here. Okay, we've got all sorts of new stuff here. And wow, I'll need to put the space up a bit. Difficulty cadet launch. Okay. Well, it hasn't crashed. What I do need to find is the military base. So let's look for the military base. Mill. Okay, let's go and see if it's there. Is it going to be there, or have I broken it? If it's there, it'll be hilarious. Oh, it looks like I can't slow down. Hang on, I haven't got my joystick left put in. Hang on, what's going on here? Oh dear. What's my speed? Why is my speed not working? Have I not selected it? Oh, it's already connected to my bloody joystick, isn't it? Okay. Yeah, come on. These X52 Pros are absolutely shit. I took it apart to clean it, and it just fell to bits. Oh, I can see coincident faces here. It's the military base. It worked. Hooray! There's a ship coming in. That's J, the J key for Taurus jump drive. You can see the coincident faces. Oh, is that? No, actually, that's the sun. That sun's wrong again as well. Wait a minute. I know what the problem is. It's the bloody cache again, isn't it? Is it the cache? Right, hang on a second. I need to delete the bloody cache from it. History. Delete history. How do I delete history? Delete. Browse last hour. Let's get rid of it. Okay. Let me just refresh this and see what happens. No, let's get rid of it. It's hanging on to cache memory. That's what it's doing. Clear all. Yeah, there needs to be a method of. Okay, I'll show you in a sec. Let me just try and get this thing working. Right. How big is this sun? Look, see, it already knows where I am. Oh, come on. Oh, that's weird. Now I haven't got any. Oh, I know why. It's got rid of my cache, which means. Okay, yeah, I'll show you how to set it up. You've got pause, and you've got all the binds here, Rusty. So if I select bind, and then that's pitch, then I do pitch backwards and forwards. So it's bind on move. There's a little X there, so that gets rid of it. And they've got sensitivity. That's new. Yeah. So bind, then you move the joystick backwards or forwards. If it's going the wrong way, you can select inverted. Then I've got roll. I'm not going to bother with yaw. Then bind the throttle. You push the throttle forwards. Bind. Click the laser. Fire the missile. Fire 4 missiles. I forgot that, have I? You got the stun wave, which is B, Taurus drive, and I'll bind that to the top button. And then resume, and hopefully, yeah, I've got it backwards and forwards now. Yeah, okay. Oh, you can pause. You're supposed to be able to do it at startup, but it's saved. This stuff is saved to the cache, so I'm not quite sure. Let's do it again.
It's changed. Yeah, I've been fiddling. Now, what's going on? So, okay, let's do the throttle again. Okay. Oh, I'll have to do it backwards and forwards for a minute. Yeah, it's a little bit fussy. Yeah, there's been a few changes. I've done some changes to the layout of it. Right, let's go and dock. Yeah, this is wrong as well. I've done my Okay, that's better. Okay, so let's go and dock at the naval base. Well, at least I got a ship in. That was the idea. That was the idea today. But I do need an invert for the throttle as well. Now, if I shoot in here, I am effed. Right, okay, let's just see if it's working, if I can dock. Now, is it going to let me dock? I docked, okay. The docking is based on a... It struggles. Are you doing it in Edge? I mean, it should be okay. What you might want to do... Hang on. Let me just get out of here. Is if you go into settings here, you've got... If it's on Canvas 2D, in the tweak button, which is the back comma thing, you can get to it from a pause button. There's the tweaks. Put it onto WebGL and put it up to 4 times. I mean, it should be okay. It works on my... oh, you're kidding. Okay. I'm so silly. Yeah, I've changed a few things around. Been trying to get it to get... I spent ages today trying to get... Doesn't look too bad now. Trying to get this looking consistent. And, you know, if I go to G for the Galaxy, look, it's not consistent now. Now it's broken. So I have to squidge this till it fits again. Yeah, this moves better. Yeah, you got system as well, and we can go backwards and... Oh no, oh okay. And we got the stats. Yeah, that's sort of working now. But this, sort of, if I move it across, it starts breaking. It's meant to be 16:9, but although the Galaxy, sorry, the stats sort of does it correct. It does a bit of stretching. That's okay. The Galaxy in the system doesn't, and I spent ages trying to get it to bloody do this. It's only meant to be working on sort of HD, really, but it should be okay. So this is the pause menu. It's got escape to close. That's fine. Let me just do my throttle again because it's pissing me off. Yeah, I opened up the joystick and the throttle to give it a clean. It's just, these X52 Pro is just glue snot and masking tape and old bits and blobs of... It's terrible. Absolutely terrible. Okay, let's get rid of the throttle. And... Okay. Let's come out. And it's back to front. Okay. Do it again. It says inverse. Okay. Okay. Right. That weird that is. I need an inverse on it. Yeah, and I've changed this thing. I'm not too happy with it. But let's go and dock. Oh, I'm mash locked at the moment. Do you want to see the enemy? Look, hang on. Do you want to see the enemy get really pissed off? Yeah, now they're getting all pissed off now. Yeah. Yeah, let's get out there quick. I need to get away from them because they've all gone angry. My front shields are gone. Once I get out the no-fly zone, I'm okay because they'll all go back to where we were. Keep going. Come on, come on. I need to get out the base. Come on, I need to get out the no-fly zone. Yeah, once I get out the no-fly zone, they should all go back to blue. Or are they coming to get me? They should all go home and turn blue. Yeah, you shoot it in there, they get really pissed off, but they should go back to blue. And they haven't, you see. Yeah, don't upset the Navy. They will chase you off. They're still red. They shouldn't be. Right, now for the planets, we've got the galactic map, and we've got the system map, which should zoom. You can go back. Yeah, it's not doing it for that. But we can select different, like the naval base, the military base. There is going to be a zoom on this, but I don't know how that's going to work. Where am I going? Oh, I'm going to the main station. And so, am I wanted yet? Let's press tab. This should be black. I don't know why it's this green. See, I want this. Like, oh, it's done a good. I'll stop being fussy, Steve. Okay, let's go to. Look, military standing down. Have they gone? They've gone blue again. Hooray! Hooray. Okay. The panels here, they're sort of okay. I don't think I like the curvy corners. I think there should be something else going on in it, but let's go. Hang on, wait a minute. If you press pause and go into tweaks, there's lots of things in here like station traffic, docking radius, torus speed. Put that up. And I also want my speed scale up, just because. Oh, and you can also cheat and get different ships here if you wanted to play it. Right. So now now it's extra super fast. There we go. It's not meant to be that fast, but there you go. And when you get into the station, wow. My sensitivity of this joystick is not as much as I want. I wonder how that will work. Sensitivity, pitch, roll. Let's push it up a bit more. And pitch. I've not tried this before. I don't know what it does. I haven't got yaw. Okay, resume. Oh, that's a bit better. Okay, now we all know that if you press C here, we have a docking computer. Hooray! Docking computer. It took it ages to take out the bugs of this because it was it kept flying around the thing. It was funny. Okay, so now this is the docking thing. You got the trade shipyard. Just bear with me a second. Right, back. Okay, so this is the services. Refuel, repair, missiles. It tells you the hull, 8 of 12. I can't afford to. Oh, yeah, I pissed off the military, didn't I? So we have the standard stuff like food, textiles. There's nothing more than this. It's standard elite stuff. And we've got some shipyards where you need different levels to get it, and then a hauler. And that's you can do lots of trading if it had like a big trading thing. We've got missions here. Oh, it's still not. Okay, this might be better now. And so let's have a bounty. Let's have all these. There we go. Escort. Okay, so I've got... Oh, it's done it. Good. We've got little X's to get rid of them. So I've got all these lovely credits here in the Galaxy. Here's the Galaxy at the next tab, and it tells you where these missions are. But it's different. It's a different look. It's curvy corners. Don't know. You know, doesn't matter. The system, we've got stats. So here's my active missions. Nothing completed. The shields, cargo, how many kills. The system, hold it empty at the moment. Combat minor, pirate trade, military. We've got the tweaks again. If you really just want to, if I'm testing, I'd turn off. We've got non-combat here. So now, where's my missions? I've got supply 40. So we've got a bounty. I don't like this text. I'm not tweaking this anymore. We've got destroyed target near Incra. That's a bit cheap. And we've got deliver 17 tons to Sove. That they give you that. Then you've got trade supply 44 tons of computers to Vexera. And they've got an escort at Sove. So you go there and you escort someone. And then you supply 18 tons of textiles to Usan. Now I've only got 70 stuff, and computers are expensive here. Oh god, they are. So I'm going to fill up with 18 tons of, if I can get 18 tons of 18 tons of that. Okay, yeah. Alright, 19 tons. Okay. So I bought that. That's fine. I can't get the computers yet. So let's have a go. Right, so now it saves to the cache memory, the browser memory cache, which is annoying because if you delete history, it goes. So before we start, I've had to delete history because you see the big planets, you be the big star, that's a leftover from something that's in the cache. I spent ages the other day trying to fix the big stars and it would not have it. Claude was going, nope, nothing to do with me. Let me have another look again. It was the browser. Okay, let's launch and let's just get away. Good luck, Commander. Okay. We've got a hostile here coming in and the police will take him out. There we go. Thank you. Yeah, this joystick's still a mess, you know. I've got a good mind to get rid of it. This X52, it's just starting to crunch. Okay, what can we do? Well, let's hyperspace. So, the first one, I'm going to do the combat in Inca. Move that with cursor keys, and that tells you it's 5.3 light years. I've got run mission here. Remember that all this has done, all that Claude has done is just copy every single example of what it thinks Elite is. Remember the first time I did it, I said make an Elite game, and it went yeah, alright, and it did it, and I was pretty surprised. Let me just see if I've... No, you can't find it, can it? So yeah, so I've selected it as entered. So I come out of the galactic chart if I select it, and then the hyperspace is a little bit different now. If I press hyperspace, we have the nice text, and then we have this wiggly worm tube thing. There we go. There, that was quite funny. I know you, Cliff, don't like it, but there you go. That's a hyperspace tube. I don't know if I like it or not, but anyhow, so we're looking for bad guys here. There's my bounty. Missions always have like a little thing over it if it's distress. So if I go to, I almost wondered, so it's telling me where my bounty is. There it is. And is it moving though? Is it actually moving on here? It's not, is it? Yeah, I don't know if I like it. Don't know.
Is it moving on there? It would be nice if that was moving, but at least it tells you what direction. Okay, let's go and get it. So this is a bounty. So weapons hot, targeting. Oh, hang on. Wait a minute. Target lock. Hang on. Right, button 3. There we go. Right, so target lock. That stops you accidentally shooting. Actually, I'm going to put yaw on as well. Yeah, that's better. Okay, let's go and get him. Now I've got extra. Well, actually, you should only really be flying at this speed. They're actually less than that. So I've got maximum. No, I think my joysticks had it. I'm not getting another X52 though. Not now. I've seen what's in it. And as we get closer to it, hang on, but I don't like the sensitivity of the throttle. Okay, right. Well, now we're there. Right, here we go. Attack! You can have some missiles. There we go. So I'm going faster than missiles at the moment. Go on, get him. Go on. Bounty claimed, and that was it. There we go. So that was a very simple bounty. Oh, I've got another one here. That was my bounty. Yeah, very simple. If you wanted to, you could start putting up the enemy fire rate and the enemy evasion, and there's military fighter eagerness. No, we're on it. Aggression. Okay, let's put aggression up. And there's also a enemy speed, and there's a hit rate as well. Enemy fire rate. Okay, now they're going to be really nasty now. Okay, so that's that done. I haven't got. Oh, I have got fuel to get to Sove. Okay, I think. So delivery at Sove. So that's not trade. It's just delivery. Come out and hyperspace. Whee, there we go. I don't like it. It's a bit weird. There's the escort. Oh, got an escort. Oh, quick. Oh, it delivered what? Oh, you buggers. Yeah, you see, that's what happens when you put up... I couldn't get that. Put the escort. I couldn't get the escort. I couldn't get the escort in time because they're absolutely... I had to rescue it and then escort it back to the thing, but you can't do it. So because I put the hit rate and the aggressiveness up. Have a missile, there we go. Oh, that fired at me. Okay, what are we in? Oh, anarchy. Okay. We've got some shortcuts, the left and right, not arrow cursor keys, but the left and right arrow keys, I think, to get to the military, the station. Who's got me? My mass locked. Okay. Yeah, they're really aggressive now. Okay, let's go. Yeah, I think this joystick's going to have to go now. I've worn it out. Now, don't normally go this fast. Remember, I've got it on super speed. Now there is a Python version of this, which just might have actual faceted models and procedural. I wonder if I've got them here. Procedurally sort of. I want to make it look like a PS2. Put it that way. Right. So save to that. So I've done that. Let me look at my missions. So this is completed. That's completed. Hang on. I delivered, didn't I? Deliver something? Okay, so I still got 44
computers to get to Vexra, so let's go get some computers. What have I got? Let's get some computers. Oh, I haven't done the textiles. Okay, well, let's get some computers in the hole. Wait a minute. Oh, I haven't been to Usen yet. Oh, that was a trade. Why isn't the trade on this? Interesting. See, it's 2 of 6. 1, 2. I've only got completed this one. It didn't come up on that. Never mind. Let's go to let's refuel, repair. I can repair now. Get all the missiles. I'll save. I can buy. No, I can't buy a clipper yet. I'm up to level 3 because it's quite an easy game at the moment. Yeah. Okay. Where am I going? I need to go to Unsen. Okay. Yeah, I need to launch L. Okay, and hyperspace. Foof. Yeah, I don't know. I might have to think about this. It'll do for the moment. I won't do it anymore on it. Quick! I don't think I'm going to get there in time. Why am I not going fast enough? Hooray! I drove off the bounty. I saved you. I saved you, little... oh, let's turn off the lock. I saved you, little thing. Right, where am I going? Can't remember. That's trade, isn't it? Why is my jump drive not working now? Yeah, I've got a sticky key. I think the X52 has just about had it. I don't know what to get though instead. I was looking at some of the recommended ones and they're like 500 quid for a joystick. Come on, Buzz, please. Come on, please. Oh, and it's firing missiles. Yank. Come on, police. There they come. Come on, police, hurry up. Yeah, the silicon grease. Come on. You've had it, mate. Come on, where's the police? Come on. Go on, get him. Get him. Oh, he's fired a missile at me. There we go. Get him, go on. Oh. Come on. Oh, come on, police. Yeah, I did it. Yeah, the Virpal. It's got all metal in it, isn't it? Not this cheap old plastic stuff. I was looking at that. Let me have a quick look. There was another one. Another one. Is it E? That's correct. That's what we should see. Completed this run. What was it? There's a few, isn't there? The Virpal's meant to be really nice. But there's the is it oh god, it's the Gunfighter, that's all I can remember. Gunfighter joystick. I don't know who makes it, but that looked like stupid prices. Oh my blimey. Okay. Oh, what do I look for? Is it VKB? Yeah, looking at how much? Looking at this nonsense. I mean, look at it. That's 450 quid. I mean, it's got like metal bits in it and stuff, but that's a lot of money. It's ridiculous. And they've also got some nice. They've got all sorts here. Where's the throttles? Where can I see throttles? Virpal Constellation. Okay, let's have a look. Virpal Constellation.
Constellation. Yeah, yeah. I'm. Where's the UK one? EU. That'll do it. Shop. Flight sticks. All in one. There we go. Oh, look at that. What did you get? Virtual Constellation. What does that look like? Left-handed. Oh, right. Aero grip. Oh, blimey. Aero Max. Constellation. Left and right. Well, there we go. That's just the stick. You don't get anything else. Oh, right. You just get that and you get a base. Requires flight disc base. Oh my god. Wow. That looks like force feedback. Wow, look at that. It's metal inside. It's metal inside. Look at that. Proper metal. I don't know if I mean I'd need screws for it. I don't know how do you connect this to the base? How do you connect this to the desk, or do you? How do you connect it to the base? Do you connect it to the base? Oh, look at that. Oh, here we are. Look at that. Oh, flight sticks, throttles. Oh, look at these. Oh, look at that one. Oh, look at that. How much is that? They're cheaper than the AKGB ones. How do you connect it? How do you connect it to the table, Rusty? Look at that. Oh, I like that. It's got buttons. Look. That's nice. Look at the boggles. Are those reversers? Oh, look at that. And flaps. Oh, wow. Bundles. Force feedback. Oh, I don't need that. Collectives. Bundles. Oh, here we go. Oh, look, that's quite cheap compared to the was it the AKG thing? Gunfighter. What was it? It was that one. Shop. Wow. Oh, okay. Yeah, these are very expensive, these ones, compared to... Oh, Rusty, look what you've done. Look at you, it's your fault, Rusty. If I have to turn to a life of crime now. Oh, it's nice. And it's got... Look at the switches. Look at the switches on here. And flaps or something. And that's a dual one as well, isn't it? That looks like a locking thing to me. Well, as much as that's nice. Anyhow, where were we? Oh. Okay, right. I've got to buy some computers in the meantime. Let's sell that. You got a RIN control Orion 2. What's that? RIN. That's RIN ring. RIN control Orion. Orion 2 Viper Ace. Oh, I like the rubber bits.
Oh, that's a lot cheaper. Is that? I'm on the UK one. Hang on. Official site. Official site. Okay. Make sure I go to the official site. European Union. Right. Okay. Oh, they do all sorts, don't they? Oh yeah, I saw it. I've seen this. Oh, look at that. Wow. Viper Ace throttle. What's that thing? These are nice as well. I don't want rudder pedals. Oh my goodness, look at that. This is all. Oh, that's nice. Wow, these are great. Yes, you've got one of these, haven't you, Busty? You've got one of them, I think. Ursa Minor series. Okay. Store. Okay, we got. Oh, no, they've got different ones, haven't they? Strike Ace, Metalwork Hog. These are good value. You got the air, the air, but wind control. So you got the throttle base. How can I want to zoom in on that. Let's have a quick look. Hello, I want to go there. Throttles. Navy Ace, Strike Ace. Let's have a quick look. Yeah, look, you got retract, hook, landing gear. So this is the. Oh, I see. I got some screws on it as well. Oh, look at those. Roll heading select. This is like military stuff, isn't it? Oh, I don't know now. I've seen two. I've seen two now. You've given me more than one. I can't cope now. That's Navy Ace. Okay. Look. We get back here. Okay. Well, I'm buying some computers, right? Let's buy it. I need 44 tons now. That looks nice, actually. Yeah. So I've got 40. Oh, right. Okay. Let's go back to missions. Any new missions? So I've got destroy target near Solus and supply 44 to thing. Okay. Let me just put down the enemy fire rate back to put it. Turn down the aggressiveness and the enemy speed, because I cannot do. And I need to drop down my speed as well a bit. I'll drop that down. I thought I had music volume. There we go. Okay. Model for digital combat simulator. Ooh. So I need to go to. Oh, I need to refuel. All systems done. Launch. Hyperspace. Oh, did I not select it? Oh no, I didn't. Yeah, I think I want hyperspace to work here. Yeah, I need a little bit more for that. I was trying to. There was actually. Let me see if I can find. Oh, quick! Go! I'm mash locked. I went off. Phew. I was mash locked. Whoa, sorry, mate. I was mash locked then. So that's okay. That was a distress run, a random distress thing. Okay, there's my bounty over here. Is my Taurus drive back on? Throttle axis. Sensitivity.
Okay, let's go and get him. Target on. I mean, it may be that my it's the cache again. I'm gonna have to find a way to have a button in here to delete the cache that has it. Well, he's all over the place. Where's he going? Oh, he's annoyed. He sent the security out to get him. I've never seen that before. Wow, he's in a bit of a hurry. Come on, I'm going to come down here. See if the security comes. Come on, security. Okay, yeah, he's dropped out of stores now. Come on, security. Hang on, am I in security? So my station's very near the security. Come on, security. Where are you? Where's the security gone? Okay, doesn't matter. Okay. Oh. Oof. Yeah, I've turned him down now. Oh. You can have that. Stop it. You can have that. Good, got ya. Where was the station security then? A bit rubbish. Can't see anybody here. If you press X, it gives you the range. Oh, there is Run out here. What have you been up to, mate? There he is. Right. What are my missions here? Oh no. What is that? Your? Oh, there. I didn't know that. I forget now. What am I doing? Oh yeah. Active missions at Verezia. So I need to refuel here. Okay. Yeah, it's the cache that the cache is. Let me think now. The cache is any of this. Remember, it's a web page, so there's things. Any web page you have, it saves things like images and values and things. So that's the idea of having browser history and caches, is that everything is stored, so it doesn't need to rely on stuff that it's seen before. So if the cache is not updated, I mean, if I go into the console in here, let me have a look now. Oh, let me see now. Up here, if I can see it. Oh, it's all very different from when I used to do this. You'll have. Oh, where's the header? There's the header. Style. Oh, blimey. Okay. Okay, I have no idea. Uncaught reference. State is not defined. Unsafe attempt to load URL from fine with URL. Oh, some bugs here. That doesn't matter. Yeah, so you have browser cache. It just saves stuff. So it's if it can't find the page, and I mean nowadays, yeah, you know what I mean. Yeah, it has a cache. That's it. Yeah, that sort of thing. It used to do. So hang on, where am I? Oh yeah, I need fuel and a missile. Launch, and let's go to hyperspace to Verexa. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. Careful, mate. Yeah, I'm gonna change that. Don't like the hyperspace now. I've gone off it. So what is this? Where are we going? Can't remember what we're doing. We're going to the station, aren't we? Yes, I was surprised. I was trying to take the throttle top apart to clean some of the contacts on some of the buttons, but come here. But it was just awful inside. It was just terrible. And I've put loads of
grease. Sorry, PTFE, not grease. Put lard on it on the joystick, but it doesn't seem to have done much. It's really, really chunky and got flat spots. So, and it's all plastic inside as well. Yeah, I'm not happy. I might, yeah. I might get, I think I should, really. I've had this for like donkey's years. In fact, I could probably tell you if I don't show you my email. Let's do a search for it. X52. Okay, so what we got. Check this out. 2021. When did I buy it? I bought this in 2015. And it was X52 flight controller joystick. And it was £99. So, goes to show, that was in 2015 from PC World. So, yeah, so perhaps it is time. I mean, that's good. What, 2015? How old is that? How old am I? Come on, you. There we go. I'm in cadet mode, of course. That's it. 2015. 2015. That's 10. No. 2016. That's 10 years old. Is that right? Can I do? Can you move the hyperspace during the jump? What do you mean? Oh, the horrible text. Yeah, it's horrible. I'm getting rid of it. Where's the station? Oh yeah, it's always around here, isn't it? Where's Verexa station? Yeah, I'm gonna put it back. It's not to what it was. Oh, I'm in the bloody planet mass. Yeah, I'm gonna put it back to some nice, decent wings and things coming towards you. Yeah, something decent. Yeah, didn't like it. I mean, if I look for, I'll show you. Actually, this is quite fun. If I look for, and I look for, it's is it no 9? Let me find the Vortex tuner. I've got a Vortex tuner somewhere. Dot ride missions DAP. HUD Galaxy. No, that's in 70 plus. Let me find the Vortex tuner. Vortex tuner 6. Okay. Oh yeah. There it is. Save. Get rid of that. Where's the Vortex tuner? Here we are. Open with. Here's the Vortex tuner. Enjoy. So the number of rings. Let me take the glow off. There's glow. I can't stand the glow. There's a glow down. And take the speed down as well. Speed. Oh, where's the speed? I can't even see the speed. Seed, throat, streaks, extra glow bright, fog, strand. Where's the speed? Oh, here we go, yeah. So this, yeah, I made it do a little Vortex tuner. This isn't the latest one. Let's put the speed right down so you can see what's going on. You can see it's going all sorts of wiggly woggly stuff, and increased. And so I tried to tune it, but it's, you know, and it's got meandering. You can turn off the meandering, so it's just straight down. Where's Trist? There's a Trist here. There we go. Turn off the Trist. Oh no, Trist to 0. Get Trist to 0. And the spin down to whatever. And I need Camlock meander. Churn. Get the churn down to. Oh, the churn doesn't really matter. Rave Z down to 0. Harmonics down to 0. Rave amplitude. Okay. There's a thing at the end there,
but there's a Z far, Z near, segments. Yeah, this is an older version. Now, where's strands? Let's take the strands down. And then you've got to mark every, so you can decide how many rings you want going past. Forget the dots because they're segments. Take the streaks off. Actually, I have to take the throat off. And there we go. Let's put, where's the speed? I lost the speed again. You can put a bit of wave amplitude on it. It does some weird stuff, weird shit though. And then a little bit of churn into it, a little bit of harmonics, and then a little bit of twists. Anyhow, so yeah, they've got the segment legs. Oh, that's really starting to freak me out. And then put the speed up, and then reduce the number of rings down there. Yeah, you could actually give yourself a bit of a. Well, I can't look at that now. That's enough of that. Thanks. Oh no. Well, you can. It's in the code somewhere, but I can't see now because I've just looking at that. Okay, so did I just do that? Have I just? Oh dear. Yeah. Yeah, I can't see now. Oh, I still need to sell the computers. Are we in Verexa? Oh, hang on. I thought I'd just done the mission. 44 mission. I've just done that, haven't I? Supply 44. Oh, yeah. I've only supplied 20 tons of 44, so that's working. It should tell me. Yeah, it's empty now. 22, 44 of board. I haven't got it there though, have I? Now let's see if I can break it. Let's buy computers here. Oh good, okay, yeah. Because normally you can buy it here and then sell it back to them, which is not really what you wanted. So I need to buy computers cheap from somewhere. So, whoa, right, now I need to find a, this is only Tech 1. So I need to find a Tech 11 to get cheap computers. Not that the, oh, Tech 11. What about Rabadi? Yeah, we'll go there. Yeah, I it's just, no. It just plays with my eyes as well. Oh, quick! Oh, quick! Get him! Where's the other one? Oh, there's a few. You take that. There you go. Got one more. Hooray! Phew! I saved you, matey. Right. Okay. Where am I going? I was going to buy computers, wasn't I? Oh. Get a missile. Oh, I'm out of range. Okay. Yeah. I fly faster than my most... Even the ambient tunes in here is also, if I can find it, let me just find it, hang on, they might still have it here. Oh dear. So that's my games audio, Cinescape engine. Let's open, that might be it. I'm not sure this is it, but we'll have a look. No, this isn't it. Oh yes, it is it. Yeah, this is. I got it. I showed it a web page. Shut up a minute. I showed it a web page and said, "Here, I love this musical instrument thing. Could you do something like it?" I said, and it went, "Yeah, all right," and it did it. So it's created a
an ambient system, and you can select different ones. I ask it to do like Microsoft Flight Simulator, though it doesn't really sound like it. And then like Elite Dangerous, and click Evolve, so it evolves over time. And it's also got an engine mode, which is a loop. And then you can save it as a RAV file. And so the little bits in here, these couple, there's a few in here like Dark EBM, which are built in, let's put Evolve, which are built into, the little engine in here is built into, oh, that's horrible, I don't like that, Melancholy. So you can actually record, it records a RAV file for you. And you press that and it saved it. So you stop that. Oh, where did it go? Oh, I hate Windows. Downloads. There you go. So you got, and then you can play it out. You see, and yeah, stuff like that. Yeah, that was it. Anyhow, that's that done. So I've been building all these little things to test out stuff. I'm docking. Right, now, what's the time? Okay, I'm gonna, now that I managed to make a ship work and understand a little bit more about the editor, I need to buy more computers. Oh, no. It should give me the profit and loss of this as well. Oh, I didn't bloody dock, did I? I didn't get the fuel. Okay. G. Back to that. I probably didn't need to do that actually. Yeah, I'm going to get rid of this message. That was my brother's idea. Cliff has probably gone to bed. Oh, quick! Come on, we'll get them. We'll get them. Where are they? Oh, you have that. Oh, only just, matey. Well done. Let's go. Oh, for God's sake. Oh, I haven't got no missiles. There we go. Now run, right, let's just get here. And we'll just dump these and see if it works. That's the outpost. Oh no, hang on. The station's got to be here. Oh, there it is. I'm going super spaff. Ah, okay, you're going to come in, are you? Come on then. Police will come and get you. Come on. Let's see the police come out of the station. There they go. Go and get him. Go on. They're off to get the bad guy. Oh, and a frigate. Oh, okay. Never seen a frigate come out before. Yeah, there you go. Hooray. Yeah, this joystick has had it. It's had 10 years of work. Well, I can't remember why I came here now. Missions. Supply 44 tons of mission. I am at Varaxa. Did I not buy computers? Interesting.
Oh, I've got 4 more tons. Oh, for goodness sake. Okay. Going to let me buy them. That should actually say something here. No, of course it's not going to do it. Okay. Back to Zaza. Yeah, that's got to go. It's got to go. I'll work something else on that. It's really bugging me now. Okay. Yeah, it's bugging me. I'll show you in a sec. Oh, go on, police, get him. Look, he's a bit stupid coming here. You've had it, mate. Yes, you can. I'll show you in a sec. Because I think I've got enough creds now. Although it's not telling me my creds. Well, it should do. Where does it say? Okay. So I need to buy. Where's my missions? I need. It should be a bit more obvious here. I need 4 tons of that. 4 tons of computers. Okay, that'll do. Now, in the shipyard, you've got a few ships here. You've got the Clipper, which is hull 6. Shields are better. Hulls 35 is 6 missiles, but you need level 3, and I am at level 4. Now, hang on, where's my stats? I am at combat level 3. Okay. So, but you can get, and then you get a frigate. So I can't buy. Oh, I did buy it. What level was that then? I must have been at that level. Okay, I'm now upgraded to a different ship. Yeah, I'll just get more missiles. Yeah, and you get a frigate, which is 8 missiles, and then you get a warship, which is hull 13. Now I'm playing this at 6815. Oh, I've just spent all my creds on it. Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, never mind. So I'm flying a Clipper now. If I go to my stats, you see that is that different? Not quite sure. The warship and a hauler. Now, if you do the military ones, which are effing difficult, you can get a gunship and a warship at the end. But that's something else. So if I launch now, you've got 1, 2, 3. You've got 6 missiles now. And if I just get out of here, you'll see the beam is a bit more. The beam is a bit more deeper, and your hit points get better. And I don't know if your maneuvering gets better. I don't think it does. It's just mainly weapons and shields and stuff. So my hull is still down for some reason. Did I not fix my hull? Not sure. But yeah, your shields, everything's. It's just a scaled up really. But it gives you something to do. Now, let's go to the outpost, which is, oh, for goodness sake. Yeah, let's go to the outpost. I thought there was an outpost down here. No, there wasn't. Okay. Does that line move now? Yeah, there's another little line. Ah, that's not what I wanted. Okay. Go to the outpost. Now, outposts, you'll find it a hive of scum and villainy. And also no docket 2 outposts. Okay, and you'll find it a non-rotating, non-docking computer thing. So you've got to be careful with this. No, forget it, mate. And they don't care. They don't have police come out. Wow, my speed is way fast. Okay, my throttle is. Whoa, come on. Why is my throttle? Oh, I think my throttle's a bit red. And this is the outpost, and the reason it's red because it's all. Yeah, I've only got 4 credits left. I spent it all. Yeah. Oh no, I killed. So I got bounties here. So I've still got trade at Varexa going. But we've got some smuggling. Now, I'm not going to do that because the police don't like it. We've got gangs here and illegal cargo. I'm not going to do any smuggling. I can't. Okay. I've got nothing now. And refuel. So I've got pirating at Gizon. Meanwhile, there's this one hanging around outside. Okay. And this is at Gizon, which is way down here. We'll have to do a couple of terrible hyperspaces here. Okay. Yeah, I need to get anything that's nearest. What's nearest? Let's see who's nearest. Oh no, station. The mine is nearest. Yeah, we'll go to the mine. Okay, where's the mine? Oh, it's here. This is the mining depot. Most systems have a mining depot and asteroids as well. There we go. Right. So this is the mining depot. You have little miners going around. Oh, it's free on that one. And they do mining. And while I'm here, pirates will come in and try and... Don't shoot the police. There's a little mining patrol. So I'm going to refuel here. Oh, I could do some mining. We'll take a mining ship out. Whoa, my throttle is... What is the matter with my throttle? Oh, I could mine stuff. We've got some mining contracts here. But if I just repair my armor, I can't even refuel here. But what I can do is take a mining ship, and here we are out in our mining ship, and we can go and help do a bit of mining. Got pirates coming in. Because I'm a miner, we always have one extra policeman. I think we'll be alright. And I can go, I can mine it all and take it back. There we go. There we go. And looking, I've got 24. Ice isn't much worth anything. That should be darker grey. Good, yeah. Okay, so we've got another one over, which is nearest. That one's nearest. That's void crystals. That sounds like a bit of a... We get some void crystals. There, I know. Come on. We've got some bad guys coming in. But I think I'll be alright. Because the police will help. Who's nearest? That one. Come on, police. I've got one little blue policeman following me. In fact, let's just zoom in. There we go. We'll take a bit of that. That's depleted. And I've got one down here. We've still got a... Yeah, the police are doing okay. But sometimes it can get a bit tricky. Platinum. Oh, very nice. I don't know what it's worth. Okay, and I've got... Is that everything? I think that's everything. We'll get back to the station. Shouldn't have tourists driving this. Someone's shooting me. Come on, police. Why have we shoot? Come on, police. Where are you? Why are these police doing anything? Okay. Now, because they're firing, all the little ships should go back to the mining depot. But I don't know if they are. Come on, police. Sort it out. I think I've got this on just fast and go and stop, to be honest. Yeah, it looks like I've got this on the wrong thing. So, okay, I got 5. Oh, that was good. Okay, I can refuel and repair now. And I can swap back to my combat ship and launch. So that was fun. Now, where's any more bad guys around here? Oh, we've got one. Let's go and get him. Let's rescue the police. Always come in. The bad guys always come in to
hassle the poor miners. Right, Zen. Oh, I can't even look at this hyperspace map. I think I might just do something slightly different, like just load of lines. Right, I'll do it. Can't even look at it. It's making me feel sick. Oh dear. Oh, that's too many missiles. Right. Oh yeah, I'm getting oh yeah, they shouldn't fly into me. They're supposed to have collision avoidance. Oh. Oh, there's two in here. This is the pirate mission, isn't it? Phew. Okay. That's that contract done. I've got one more trade at Verexa. And then we'll do a naval mission and we can see how that does. Oh, for goodness sake. What's nearest? Outpost. Okay, we'll go there. Way. Yeah, this is... I've got this on off. Hang on, wait a minute. Stick, push faster. Absolute. Okay. Now it's back to front again. Why isn't it inverted? Stick, push faster. Axis 2. No. Oh, it's weird. I don't know. If I was cadet, it's very easy to dock. If you're into another, yeah, I think my both the joysticks are buggered now. Max 4. Okay, and let's go back to Verexa, and then we'll take a. Oh, I can't look at it. We'll take a naval mission. We'll go and sort something out. Oh, hang on. What's nearest? I need to get back to Verexa, don't I? Mining depot again. Okay. Oh no. Mining depot. Who's that? I'm gonna make sure that mining thing works. So you have like a field, and this is a security field in here, I think. Yeah, there's something definitely going on with my throttle. Yeah, it's all going in the bin. I'm gonna get a new thing. That's it. I've had it now. Lusty, you made it sound so wonderful, having something that's a bit less. Honestly, inside it's just like thin little wire, masking tape holding everything together. Big globs of snot and stuff. It's absolutely atrocious. Go on, please. He's off to get a bad guy. There we go. Oh, could I ask, Rusty, if you're still there, does your chat come from Stream Elements or something similar? Because I'm not getting much luck with oh. Where is it? Oh, okay.
Oh, we're getting a bit crazy, are you? Because I'm having I'm just not scraping the chat properly. I think there's something something stopping messages coming through. Because it was working like a little while ago, and suddenly it just stopped, and I don't know why. It's probably something to do with OBS, to be honest. Oh, I've broken something. Yeah, it's really what is going on with this? Right. Oh, I am at Verexa. What am I doing? I need to get to the station. What am I doing here? What I'm doing here? Yeah, that's what I thought. I mean, I tried to do it without stream elements, but it wasn't happy. So, it was working fine. The little thing, little tool, and then it just packed in. I have no idea why. No idea. Contract complete. Okay, right. Good. That works then. It's a little bit weird. Now I need to go to a Tech 11 dictatorship. Well, that's what, the US, is it? Yeah, that's it. Yeah, you laid. Yeah, that's right. But I just wasn't having much luck with what I was trying to do. Military. Okay. Zaza Naval Base. Look, there's a little naval ship with all its double edges and faces. Yeah, I thought that would be nice, but it looks a bit weird. Yeah, I've gone off it already. Now we've got some military contracts here. So now you accept them. Hooray! Well done. Excellent. I've got a engineer. Try and do this engineering lark tomorrow with the Cobra. Yeah. So I've got military combats. Level 10. I'm at level 5. Is a naval gunship. So I can buy that. You see. Ooh. I'm at level 5. So military rank. Requisition a naval gunship. What rank am I at the moment? I'm not. I can't be at level 5. 84.78 light years. That's pretty cool. That's well done. Blimey. Is it like is it designed to be super explory light? Is it? Right. I'm now in a bigger ship. I'm in a naval corvette now, and it's a little bit more quick. Hooray! Drove off the attackers. That wasn't a military bet thing. Now I'm in a military ship now, so it's a pretty big thing. I'm in the Navy now. I need to get there, don't I? So I'm just gonna. Actually, the naval base is probably the easiest place to go. I'm at Soga, am I? Don't even think about it with my naval ship.
Come on in, if you think you're hard enough. Come on in. How far away is it? I'm in a naval ship, mate. Shouldn't be attacking the Navy. Yeah, I'm going to revisit the Navy ship. I think it just looks too spindly like that. I think it needs to be a little bit more angular. And get into it 90s, had a lot of stuff on board. It can be more than a fleet carrier. Quite fancy it. Oh, what was that? What happened there? Oh, it shot the policeman. Okay, so this isn't my ship, this is a loaned one. So let's see, where am I going? Right, here we go. What was my mission then? Hang on. My mission was destroy the marked target. So this is like a military mission now. Oh, bloody hyperspace. 90s. That's pretty cool. I do like the look of that ship. It does look very nice. Right. This is going to be tricky. Target lock on. This is a military target, so I don't know what I'm going to come into. Yeah, this is either on or off at the moment. I don't know what's going on. Well, if it's broken, I'll soon find out in Elite tomorrow. Oh my god, it's a big one. No, I'm not even in range. Yeah, it's a bloody great big sub. Oh, blimey, don't crash into it. Oh dear. Sugar. I'm getting a bit of what's that? I don't know what that is. You. Okay. I'm wanted. I shot somebody I shouldn't have, but that's okay. Anyway, military missions. Cool. Yeah, so we've done a bit of mining, bit of piracy. We did a bit of trading. We've done some delivering. Let's look at the pause menu. So we've got the stats are. I'm rank 4 combat, rank 2 mining, rank 4 pirate, trade and trade. These are deliberately easy targets to get. And there's my military corvette, and it's 41 kills. I'm in the naval service. Yeah. Paused. The pause menu. Yeah. Yes, of course. The pause menu. No military here. So what I'm going to do next is refuel. What's the nearest to me? The station. We'll go to the station. Not meant to intersect, to be honest. Oh wait, come on. Oh, I'm wanted. I'm wanted. Quick. I'm wanted. They're not happy. I accidentally shot somebody, obviously. I'm hoping that they clear. Okay, so I need all my missiles back, thank you. Although I'm military, I shouldn't have to pay. Now, Galaxy. I want to go to a Tech 11 Plus. That'll do it. Now, so let me just come out of there. If I launch, are the police blue now?
They're not going to shoot at me, are they? Good. Okay, let's go to there. And don't look at the horrible hyperspace thing. So weird. I can see what I was trying to do, but it just doesn't work out. Right, let's go to the naval yard and resign my commission. Well, at least I managed to get a ship modelled and managed to get it in. Although, oh, don't pirates do not come into the naval base. Not a good idea. Now, just one thing. Oh, we didn't see it. Right, I'm going to resign commission. That's it. I'm done. And that's it for today. One more thing I've got to do though is to save to file. So let's save there now. Yep, so I can load that in again at another time. Now if I go back to Shipforge, there's one thing that we haven't looked at, which is this. Now I just noticed it. There's an occlusion test and an occlusion hull. And look what's happened. This is when it's occluded against like a planet. It creates a mesh around it, and that it does not look right. There's one thing I've got to do is just try this out. So I need to select these faces and make face. So I'll select 3 verts, okay, and then press F. So that's a face now, an occlusion face. Now generally that would be automatic if you were doing anything else, but in this it's not so easy because it's all handmade. I probably selected the wrong ones there, but anyhow, so yeah, so you can, there's also a fan as well somewhere, can't see it. Okay, so if I was to do this and press F, we've now got a fan. That doesn't look right to me. Oh, it does, yeah. So you're actually building the faces yourself, which is an absolute ridiculous thing to do. So if I was to put occlusion hull on now, you can see it's starting to, let's do a couple up here. F. It's obviously not designed for huge things like this. I've already thought I did that one. Just check. F. And that one. F. And it should be mirroring it across. Okay, that's fine. Let's do a few up here. I just want to see if it actually does what it's meant to do. I'm doing a Python version of it, which will be fully modelled faceted ships, which I'm going to do in Maya. And oh no, do that. That'd be so much bloody faster. Right, now let's have a look. Yeah, it's still got some issues with faces. I don't know if it's working. Maybe it's to do with this. Maybe if I keep it on. Is it working? How can you tell? Oh yeah, they are changing. Yeah, okay. It's like working, I have worked on worse software in my day. Now there's a few up here that's not happy. Why is it not happy here? Shouldn't be shrink wrapping it. Keep going. I don't know if it's going to do it. Don't see anything over here doing it though.
Did I do the top? So where's it finding those verts then? I mean, where's the face data on this? I don't see any face data. Okay, so I'm building the face data in. So where's it getting that from? Yeah, I don't think this is working. It's like going back to oh, wait a minute. These aren't normalized, are they? It thinks there's a triangle there, but I've told it there isn't. Even though I've told it there isn't a face, it still thinks there is one. So this isn't working. I do not see face data up here either. Not that I can see. Oh, it might be because there's double faces in this. Hang on, let's do a different one. I'll get rid of that. I better save it. Yeah, we'll save that. And I'll just bring in a trader. See, that looks fine. Let's find something that's a little bit more wonky. Yeah, it's got a bit more wonk on it. Okay, let's copy this. Okay, so let's turn off the occlusion test, occlusion hull. So let's try and do it now. Do I need to go clockwise though? No, I don't need to worry about normals. That's one done. F. F. No, it's still not doing it. That's the occlusion hull, but that's the automatic occlusion hull. This is my occlusion hull. So I need to tell it what the occlusion hull is. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Get rid of that. Okay, so right. Let's see what do we do today. Let's have a quick recap. Hello, Sook. You right? So we did you had a go at this and not understanding that the mirroring was working, and to be honest, not sure that worked terribly well it wasn't as interested in wireframe as I thought it would be. So yeah, I mean, if it was faceted, it would probably be nice. So we had a go at that and managed to quadrupulate the number of elements by doing X and then X again and then X again. So that wasn't work very well. Didn't manage to do this or the outpost, but what I might do is make I'll get Claude to make an exporter. It has done it before. Hang on. Do wire. Oh, hang on. Exporter from Maya for the ships. Let's see if it does. It's musing. It should be. I think it's already done that. My exported Python script runs in my ship. That looks like the space shuttle. skip that. Hang on. Skip. Stop. Ollie ship to vertex. Vertex edges like in like. Have a look. Should be able to do it. It should be able to do it. Of course you can do it. Got it. Build a low poly ship. Blah 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 blah. So OBJ, I can test this one. My file output selection OBJ. Drop the file in. Get game ready. See if yeah, so that we've done that. We had to go at Shipforge, haha. Shipforge, edit, verify, all the OBJ, drop it to Shipforge, the path to. Oh, okay. Okay, let's get ready for it. Let's get ready for it. Come on, Maya. Alright. Alright, let's have a go. Shipforge 10 is going to have a OBJ importer. Let's see if it works. That makes Cypher much easier. Come on, let's do a simple thing. Shipforge 10 is going to do it. It's going to import an OBJ file. I doubt it though. We'll see. Right, Shipforge 10 is on the way. Come on, Maya. Let's see if that's going to make life so much easier. Okay, let's make a quick ship. Oh, I don't know. Poof, there we go. I don't know. Let's have a. There we go. That's a width. There we go. Right. Let's just select some vertices and move some things around. Face. There we go. There we go. There's a ship. There's a ship. I'll do it. Right, that's the ship of the future. There we go. Right, ha! Okay. Right, let's see if it does it. Let's just delete the history on that. File. No way. Export. Selection. I don't have OBJ on this. Does it split it in automatically now? Yep. Groups, file groups, normals, export selection. Let's put it into. Let's put it into. Wait a minute now. Documents. Where are we? On my computer. Come on, computer, wake up. Have I got another drive on this? It's taking its time. Oh, is it broke? No way, is that broke? Save. Okay. Right. I'm just going to drop that into. There's one drive on there. My goodness. Oh no! I know what I'll just put it into data. And call it ship test. Okay. Now that's in ship test. So if I open up my commander. Wow, you are getting a bit slow, Mr. Computer. Right, and I wanted Shipforge 10. Open. Oh, what is going on here? Open with Edge. Okay, so this is Shipforge 10. So how do I load it in? Tell me how I load this in. Shipforge 10. Build a loader. Select File, Export OBJ in Shipforge. Load panel. Import OBJ. Oh no, it's not gonna. It's gonna bloody do it, isn't it? My projects. Probably default. Data. Nope. Where would it be? Oh, it might be in project. Probably in part 2. Data. Ship test. Oh my giddy aunt! The scale's a bit off, but it only effing did it. Let's make this a bit bigger. Oh my goodness! There's my rubbish ship. Let's freeze everything. File. No way. Ship test 2. Test 2. Export selection. Okay. Right. Load. How many verts is that? Load paste. Import OBJ. How does it do that? Open. Well, it only ran a bloody loop. How many verts is that though? 26. Oh, no way. No way. So that's still editable. Oh, it's very, very small though. Oh, I know why. It's an OBJ, isn't it? Where did it go? Did it disappear? Oh, I got 2 open. That was weird. I can go away. Okay, so that's, yeah, because it's, yeah, it's OBJ, so it's 10 times as big normally. Okay. Freeze transforms, file, export. Export selection, test 2, export selection, yes. Back to browser, load paste model, import OBJ, open. That's better, yeah. OBJs generally got weird. They're always like 0.01 of scaling. I don't know what they're set to, but I know that in Maya it's normally set to centimeters. So I don't know what that's set to. Anyway, there we go, look. Ah, I made a ship. So I'll just copy that. You know what I'm going to do? Let's just turn off Wire Commander. So now I've saved it. I'll save it again. Let's go. No. We'll change it to. We'll make it the police for the moment. Let's just duplicate that. V. Okay. Copy. V. Oh, come on, duplicate it. I've done it. Okay, right. Let's edit that. It's really sluggish today. I don't know why. Yeah, police drone. Okay, so in fact, where did it go? Copy. I'm just going to put it in because we've already got the carrier here. I'm going to put it in here. That's mill base. I'm going to make it the base. And there must be an easier way to do that. Control V. Oops. Just check that I've selected the correct bit. Mill base equals Control V. Okay.
Make sure I haven't messed it's probably might have messed that up. Let's just Z that again. Mill base starts with a bracket. Mill base equals bracket curly to curly. Let's put it in the braces. Curly, curly, curly. V end curly, end brace, end brace. Start brace. Now it didn't have a test 2 on it, so we'll take that out. Save. My commander, just reset the whole thing. Well, it hasn't broken. Let's find the mill base. Let's go and see if it's actually there. I just modelled something in Maya and put it in. Oh my god, that was easy. That was a shit easy, that was. So the military base is now this here. Right. Right, what I want to do, just come round and try and get it looking into the sun. Because the mill base has got a... Put the rear view on. There we go. It has got... I want to get that into the sun so I can see. Where's the sun gone? Let's come over here. Where's the sun? Over there. So, do you know, my brother did say, put some thrusters on it, won't you? See if we've got any. I've got any lateral thrust. Let's go over a bit more. Yeah, now that is the occlusion working, because yeah, I'm not sure what I'm actually looking at there. Okay. Well, it's lit properly anyhow. Let's go down a little bit more. Yeah, because it's all convex, concave, convex. Now there is a few bits of problem there. Oh, well, these police are all busy. Okay, yeah, good start, excellent. Right, thanks everyone. See you all. Thanks for dropping by, Rusty. Well done on your ship. That looked like a journey to me. Oh, there's shooting around here. Where are they going? Oh, they're all coming round here. What's going on? Is there military activities or something? Oh, there he is. He's over there. I know what. Let's upset the police. Let's see what happens if you upset the police. Yeah, there we go. That boom, 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 boom. Yeah, those beams. They're meant to be. They're actually inverted to what they should do. They should be small and get bigger. So. Yeah, no problem. Oh gosh, what is going on here? Quick, let's get out. I don't think I'm going to get out. I think those beams, the blue beams from the ship. Yeah, they're doing it now. They're working now. No, they're inverted, aren't they? They're blowing up pirates at the same time. Well, there's no point shooting the station. Not going to happen, is it? Oh dear, there we are. Game over, hull breach. That's it. Right, that's it. I'm tired now. Thanks, Rusty. Catch you later. And thanks for dropping by. Can't believe I still managed to do it in bloody Maya. And it was that easy. That's so annoying. So annoying. Yeah. Right. Okay. Cheerio. Catch you later. Bye all.